Hey friends, this is our new team number. So let's look at which one we have. First of all, let's review the ones we've already learned. 1 and a 0 is a 10. A 1 and a 1 is an 11. Today we're going to do 12. 12. 12 is simply a 1 and a 2. Write the numbers and say choo choo. All right, so a 12 is a 1, which is a pull down, and then a 2, which is a make a candy cane and give it a chew. So a 1 and a 2 smushed together is the number 12. 12. All right, so the number 12 looks like this, a 1 and a 2. This is how you spell it, 12. 12. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so 5, 10, 11, 12. This is a 10 frame that has 10 dots, 10, 11, 12. So altogether there are 12 dots in the 10s frame. So 12 is simply a 1 and a 2. Write the numbers and say choo choo. Bye, friends.